Hello viewer, today we are going to review this POLONO P31S label printer. So this is the portable Bluetooth label printer. You can easily print label or any text through this printer. It will connect to your Bluetooth through mobile application. So before I say let's start the review, first of all let's unbox this first. Now here we have a user manual. These are the instructions where you can learn how to connect your portable printer or instructions to how to print. There are so many options, there are so many templates, as you can easily get the idea through this instruction. Now here we have the label printer POLONO P31S. It comes with the Type-C charging where you can easily charge your printer. Okay, so this is the POLONO P31S label printer. The design is good. It comes in white color. It's a beautiful square box. It comes in a compact size, as you can see in my hands. This P31S label maker is featuring a state-of-the-art thermal printer head. Enjoy 25% higher DPI for flawless and efficient printing. It also supports continuous label tape and label in fixed length. It also features durable built-in rechargeable battery. So let's start this printer first, and I have downloaded the app from the Play Store. Let's check how you can use this printer through this application. As you can see, I am connecting this label maker through the application. All you need to just follow the instruction as I am giving you. These are the templates where you can easily edit or use any different kind of templates. So I have typed here iGeekphone and trying to just print this. Okay, now I have decided what to print, and here you can just click on the print and it will print for you. As you can see, the printer works very well, and this button will cut the tape. Okay, this printer comes with the inkless. Also you can use this for organizing home supplies, classifying cosmetic items, and identify personal belongings. This printer is good, and it comes with the less weight. So thank you very much for watching this video.